गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम आप लोगों के सामने स्टेरॉइड्स के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। स्टेरॉइड हमारी ज़िंदगी में कितना इम्पोर्टेंट और कितना कितना हानिकारक कारक है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ स्टेरॉइड्स। बिफोर discussion advantage and disadvantage of steroids, we are going to discuss about what is steroids. Steroid क्या होता है? Steroids are the class of natural occurring organic compounds with four rings arranged in a specific molecular configuration. Steroids exhibit two principal biological functions such as important components of cell membrane cell which alter membrane fluidity and as significant molecules. Classifications of steroids upon the basis of working classifications of steroids. Anabolic steroids interact with androgens receptors and enhance the muscles mass and male sex hormone. Glucocorticosteroids regulate metabolism and immune function and anti-inflammatory activity of body. Mineral corticosteroids maintain volume blood volume and renal excretions. Progesterone development of female sex organ. Phytosteroids plant for the growth and development of plant steroids. Ergosteroids steroids of fungi and vitamin D. Nomenclature. Under steroid chapter we are discussed about there are 8 steroids like betamethasone, cortisone, hydrocortisone, prednisolone and progesterone, testosterone, oestradiol और नैंड्रोलोन एंड नैंड्रोलन। हमारे इस चैप्टर में हमारे सिलेबस में 8 स्टेरॉइड्स के बारे में डिस्कस करना है, जिसमें सबसे पहले है बेटामेथासोन, कॉर्टिसोन, हाइड्रोकॉर्टिसोन, प्रेडनिसोलोन, प्रोजेस्टेरोन, टेस्टेरोन, ओएस्ट्रोल एंड नैंड्रोलोन। बेटामेथासोन is a class of corticosteroid. It is a steroid medications. It is used for a number of diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, systematic lupus, erythematous and skin disease like dermatitis. Mechanism of action of betamethasone. Betamethasone binds a specific intracellular glucocorticosteroids receptors and subsequently binds to DNA to modify gene expression and synthesis. The synthesis of certain anti-inflammatory proteins induced white the synthesis of certain inflammatory mediators is inhibited. Metabolism. It is metabolized in the liver to inactive glucuronide and sulfate metabolites. Adverse effect of betamethasone. Common side effect of betamethasone is include abdominal bloating, abdominal fat deposit, abnormal hair growth. Usage: betamethasone is used as topically to treat itching, redness, dryness, crusting, scaling, inflammation, and discomfort of various skin conditions, including psoriasis and eczema.